Scare it because why not?
I think that I'm supposed to take everything out first and then start unpacking those little things.
You see how this box came? It came tore up. Tore the fuck up. Look at this shit. It's the back. The box is like trash. Coscelia, the same brand that I buy all of my polishes. Ooh, the bottles are nice. The bottles are so nice. Do you see this? Do you see this? They lost this shit in transit. And then it comes with these stickers so that you can put them over the top of the bottle. It's open.
Or the bottom. It's open?
Mm-hmm.
How do you know?
It's leaking. It's like it's leaking real bad. The color is nice though. It's very pretty. And the bottle is like legit quality. I think I want to get all of their bottles like this one.
Except, hopefully they're not leaking.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. It has instructions.
First,
Professional usage of common gel nail polish.
first step, make sure the bottle's not leaking.
Legitimately. First step, can you package it in a way where it doesn't look, you know, like that? Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, so these are the 10 millimeters. This is the 8 millimeters. And then they do have 15 millimeter ones. It's the white bottles. Good to know. I really actually do like their products. Their products are really good, and not a lot of people actually know that their products are really good. So the chances of getting a sponsorship through them by making YouTube videos, and honestly, they're the majority of the polishes that I have. So that would be great. That would just be great. Because I wouldn't have to buy polish. They'd just be giving it to me like, here, try this one. Here, try the other one. Here, make a video of this one. And after one company does it, they all do it. And this has 12 polishes, I believe. So let me just pop them out. I mean, so far, only one of them came open.
I just feel like this is like some sort of parody video.
Coscelia, if you're watching me, sponsor me. I want free merch. Loyal customer for over 4 years. Give me free merch. Oh shit, this is gorgeous. This is nice.
What color is that?
Very nice. Huh? It's
You're welcome, by the way. Is that with my gift card money?
No.
Yeah, where to spend my gift card money?
Yep.
I mean, why?
Very nice. Oh. I don't even know anymore. A lot of stuff.
How much was it? Like 80 bucks?
It was 80 bucks, yeah.
Yeah, and again, you use whatever was before that too, and probably before that. Like, I haven't used my money in like forever. I keep doing the returns wrong, like half of them.
Very, very nice. This is so pretty. This is so fucking pretty.
Technically, shouldn't that be another video? No?
This? Me doing this?
Doing the swatches or whatever.
Yeah, the swatches is a different video. I'm not swatching it. I'm just opening it on camera so they can see what I got. Ooh, this blue is gorgeous. Okay. These colors are... Yep, they're... The ones that I just got that I swatched yesterday, finished yesterday because it took forever. It took 2 days to do it. They were so pretty too. But the bottles are smaller than my first time I ever bought them. So my thing is, I think that they're making the ones that they had before smaller so that people will go with this brand, like this packaging or whatever, because it costs a little bit more. But they're still, like, of all the Polish brands, they're the most affordable one. And they're really decent. Like, for the amount of money I paid for this, this is really good.
How much?
$24 for this and this drawer full of polish.
Oh yeah, because you said they got like...
In 2 different, yep,
Yeah.
shipments. And I do have to wipe this bottle down, but it's not happening right now. And then the piece of resistance, what we're here for.
The fuck is that?
Peel and stick nail files.
Also, there are... Okay. I thought they were regular ones.
Mm-mm.
They look thick.
Mm-hmm. They do look thick, and they really are peel and stick. They're nice. And then it comes with the rounded
So you got another one now?
stick. Yep, so now I have 2. So I bought this for the salon. So I would have one in the salon and one in person. And it was a great price. And this one is bigger than the other one, so I figured it'd be slightly better. Also, this bends a little bit less, so I can get crisp, straight lines every single time. And I only use one. And I also found a company that makes the replacements in China. So they're all over AliExpress. They're all over Shein. They're all 100 for 5. You know what I mean? And there is an American company that makes them as well, called 4 Pro, which is the name of the brand, 4 Pro. And they sell the refills in packs of 50 for $10, which isn't completely horrible. You know what I mean? Because Tammy Taylor is 5. And you can kind of see how...
It's all the same brand, right?
Yeah, you can definitely see how the size has really just changed over time. And then this, I'll just compare this to a regular polish bottle. So I'll just pull like my top coat and you'll see like the difference, right? You can see the bottle size. This is a 15 millimeter. This is a 7, this is an 8, and this is a 10 millimeter bottle. And you can like just see the difference in size. Just put it side by side to the 10. There you go. Now you know what you're getting yourself into if you buy